And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. More pressure is mounting on Sunshine Girls coach Jermaine Allison McCracken after Barbados scored a historic 43-41 victory over the Sunshine Girls for a 1-all series draw following Game 3 at the National Arena on Monday.
A 44 all-time Game 1 and a 40-36 win for Jamaica in Game 2 on Sunday showed that there wasn't that much between the two teams. And when the number 4 ranked the Sunshine Girls to the first quarter 11-8, the closeness between the two teams became clearer. The Jamaicans failed to establish themselves in the second quarter as the number 12 ranked Bajans kept them in check 21-18 at the end of the first half. The third quarter was even closer, 32-31 for the Jamaicans, but the Bajans could sense blood. The visitors played a gem in the final quarter with Shanika Wharton getting 26 goals from 31 attempts as the Bajans outshone and outscored the Sunshine Girls 12-9 to record a historic win on Jamaican soil. Christina Harwood finished with 19 goals from 22 attempts for the Jamaicans, while Shimona Nelson had 13 from 12.
Ecstatic. It's everything that we dreamt about that can happen. And I'm really pleased with the girls' performance tonight.
The series leveling win for the Bajans was the last thing Sunshine Girls coach Jermaine Allison McCracken needed, but she felt she did her best in preparing the team given what she had to work with.
Lots of little things went wrong. We need to work on our passing, keeping ball, keeping it safe. We need to work on that. We also need to do a little bit more work in terms of how we feed into our lovely tall shooter when she's there. So we haven't had the tall shooter all the time. We borrowed her from the under-21s. We've been practicing for the last couple of weeks, but we obviously needed more time to practice those long passes into the shooter.
And the coach may find comforting words in the comments from Captain Christina Harwood.
I'm not disappointed. I mean, we have a very young team. That is Barbados' strong team. If we were supposed to have our strong team, that is what persons don't understand. If we were supposed to have our strong team, I mean, we would beat them easily, but we have quite a number of under-21 players, and they worked really hard, and I'm not disappointed. All of the girls played well, and I'm really proud of them.
So while the Jamaicans are searching for answers,
I didn't have the team that I needed at the time because a lot of the Jamaica's first team are out and off the island. These girls did an amazing job. There may have been things that I could have done differently, but hindsight is a wonderful thing. You know, it's tough at the top here, so I'm going to have to take the pressure and I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board.
Bernarda Brown for TVJ Sports.